Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your data and privacy settings in Discord. So a few people might be a bit wary of what kind of data they send to Discord and how Discord uses that data. And we can change that in the data and privacy settings. So I believe this is an important setting to be aware of across all applications that require an online service. So to find it, all we have to do is to go to the user settings, which can be found here. Click on the small gear icon at the bottom left of your screen. Go to the data and privacy tab here at the left side, and we can see all the options available to us. So this is how Discord uses your data. So a thing I tend to do is I don't allow Discord to use my data to not personalize any content. So this affects things like your ad algorithms, etc. So I'm going to be turning that off, and that automatically turns off the next one. I'll also turn this off. I'll click yes, I'm sure. Use data to personalize my Discord experience. Allow us to use information to personalize Discord for you. I'll turn that off and allow my voice to be recorded in clips. Uses clips. So this one I think I'll keep on because it's more of a community feature, and use data to miss Discord work. Request your data, request all of my data. So you can also request a copy of what kind of personal data Discord is collecting here by clicking this button, but I won't be doing that for now. So my main focus here is just personalizing what kind of data I send Discord and how they can use it. So there's another thing here in voice security. Enable persistent verification codes, gives your current device persistent verification codes. If this setting is on, your friends only have to verify your device once instead of every time you enter a voice call. So this is more of a uh, voice channel sort of feature. So it makes sure that every person who logs in is verified, who joins the voice channel, I mean, is verified. But I won't be enabling that for now. So this is the what the settings look like after I've made my changes, and hopefully you will make some changes as well. So that was how you can change your data and privacy settings in your Discord account. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.